This is Eric trying to start the engine so that he can shoot it while it's running. Imagine that. Well, it seems to blow a lot of smoke, but it doesn't want to stay running. We'll see if he can get it to go. He seems to believe that if he shoots it while it's running, it will explode. I think if he shoots it while it's running, it's just going to put a hole in it. And that's how you shoot a running motor with a slug gun. And I got news for you. Those slugs went in. Big time. Now, there was no explosion. But you can see the damage that it did when it hit.
He broke it?
Yeah, he broke it alright, Matt.
Not working again?
I only see the one hole though, but I know you hit it more than that. Be careful, Matt.
Hey, Matt.